court case starting today could decide whether you'll need to keep bringing your photo ID to the voting booth. WRL's Laura Levine is live in downtown Raleigh, and this could play a key role in the November election, Laura.
It can. Good morning, Jeff. This is a long-awaited trial which begins later this morning. We know voting activists and the NAACP, they argue that this was enacted with discriminatory intent and has already had an impact on minority. A voter ID has been in effect since last April following a long string of court cases. The March primary was the first major test of the law in recent years. Republican state legislative leaders who intervened as defendants in the case plan to point out that the law offers broad exceptions to voters who do not have an ID. They also reject claims that they intended to discriminate. They say the goal is to crack down on voter fraud.
So the state has audited election results for years and looked into allegations of fraud, and has found every year that there is very little fraud and very few allegations of fraud.
The case has the potential to block the state's voter ID requirement before the November election. However, an appeal is likely. The trial begins at 9:30 a.m. at the Winston-Salem Federal Courthouse. It's expected to last 10 days. Laura Levine, WRL News, live in Raleigh.